gathering, or scheduling a virtual event, mastering the skill of accepting calendar invites can help keep your day running smoothly and efficiently. With Google Calendar, responding to an invite takes just a few simple steps, and I'm here to guide you through it. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Gmail inbox. This is where you'll usually receive your calendar invitations unless someone has shared the event directly through another medium, like an alternative email platform or calendar app. Once you're in your Gmail, look out for an email that contains the calendar invitation. These emails are typically easy to spot. They often have a subject line that includes words like invitation or event. Once you've located the invitation in your inbox, click on the email to open it. This step is crucial because it brings up the event details and your response options. In the email you've just opened, you'll see a few options to RSVP. These typically come in the form of buttons saying yes, no, and maybe. A yes indicates that you will be attending the event and confirms your spot on the guest list. No suggests you're unavailable or choose not to attend. And maybe expresses tentative attendance, letting the organizer know there's a possibility you will be joining them. It's important here to consider your availability and whether you can commit to the event. If you're sure you can attend, go ahead and click yes to accept the invite. This step also syncs the event to your Google Calendar, ensuring you'll receive reminders and updates. Once you've clicked your preferred response, typically yes, to confirm your attendance, you'll notice that the event has been instantaneously added to your Google Calendar. This automated feature ensures that all attendees are kept in the loop and that your schedule is updated without needing additional manual input. Additionally, with the event now in your calendar, you'll be able to set reminders or alarms using Google Calendar's built-in features, helping you manage your time effectively and ensure you don't miss out on important events. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to manage your Google Calendar invitations. By checking your inbox regularly and responding promptly, you'll stay organized and up to date with all your plans. This simple process not only helps you manage your own schedule, but also communicates efficiently with the event organizers, letting them know how many guests to expect. Always remember the importance of checking your calendar regularly so you can stay aware of any changes or updates that might occur after your initial response. Thanks for watching and happy planning.